Good morning. First one of the day is this custom Harley. I've been putting this off for a week now. I believe it has been sitting outside for some time. Every single bit of chrome is just starting to rust. I have got my work cut out for me with this. I think it's going to be a Minger of the year. I said it has been stored up. The gentleman's getting ready to sell it, so they've done all the servicing, MOT around the back. Now it's time for me to see if I can improve this old girl. Got some serious polishing to do on this paintwork. Hopefully my machine polisher should be able to remove a lot of this rust. I don't know whether you can tell, but every single bit of chrome is just starting to corrode and pit. The wheels, unfortunately, where the moisture sits in that groove, that is quite heavily pitted. Oh my goodness, she is awful. Time to work a bit of trot magic, see if we can improve the Minger of the year. Wish me luck, gonna have some aching fingers after this. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking, see if we can work a bit of trot magic. Wish me luck. Okay, we are cracking on with this Harley. Oh my God, this is 4 hours worth of polishing. This is about the second or third go at this chrome, trying to remove as much rust as possible without scratching it. I'm just doing a bit of a paint inspection. It's not looking too good, to be honest. I'm gonna do a couple of runs, see if we can improve that. Front mudguard is really bad. Probably had a bag on here at some point. Let's see if we can get that dullness out of there. Chrome is coming along pretty good, to be honest. I thought some of it wouldn't be recoverable, but yeah, it's coming on. Another 2 hours, she'll be ready to go. There you go, just under 6 hours. This Harley is done. I have done what I can with it. Geez, something like this you could literally spend all day polishing. I've managed to remove as much rust as possible without scratching the chrome work up. That's a little difficult. Like I said, it was all starting to pit, but we've managed to do a pretty damn good job in just under 6 hours. Everything's got a bit of corrosion protection on it now. I just did a 2-stage machine polish on the paintwork. Managed to remove a lot of those marks. She's looking a hell of a lot better. This bike is up for sale. Drop me a message if you're looking for something like this. It's had a lot of money spent on it. Now it's looking like it should. Look at those wheels. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabber. I am done. On to the next.